Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. Today I'm going to review the Morpheus 360 HP 4500 series Bluetooth headphones. Stay tuned until the end of the video to find out how you can get a pair of your own for free. To start off, these headphones come in 4 different designs. There's these white with the rose gold. There's white with the platinum. There's also black on black. And there's the black with gray. The headphones come with an instruction manual, which is right under here. A USB charging cable, which can be plugged into any device with a USB port, such as a smart TV or your home computer. Or, if you have your own, because this does not come with it, you could plug it into a wall charger and charge it like that. In addition, if you don't have Bluetooth, which means you can't use this wirelessly, you could still use the headphones because it came with a pair of headphone jacks, so you could plug it directly into the device. As far as the features, it features its own microphone, so you can make and receive calls, which is great. Many times you want your phone calls private, you don't want everyone hearing, and you want to be able to hear it clearly. Now you could use your headphones. You could also listen to music. You could listen to audio books. You could listen to song lyrics. You could listen to anything you want, practically, because it has a port for a micro SD card. So besides using the headphone jacks and using it wirelessly, you could put whatever you want on your micro SD card, and then you take that card and you insert it right into this slot, and you could listen to whatever it is you want to listen to on its own. Now, charging time. Charging time is a bit of a minus. It takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. However, on the plus side, once it is charged, it'll last you up to 8 hours. So that's a pretty long time. In addition to that, it's adjustable. So if you have a larger or smaller head, you could adjust it very simply. I'm doing it with one hand. It's very lightweight. It could be smaller, which makes it another down, but if it's a cold day, think of it as an extra pair of earmuffs plus your music. So in some ways, you got to look at it on the positive side. Now, for the big reveal. Right now at microcenter.com, they're giving away a pair of these headphones. You have to go to their website, www.microcenter.com, look for the offer, and you could get these for free. Normally, they range in price from $14.99 all the way up to $50. At Micro Center, the regular price is $14.99. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, anything you'd like to add, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Before you leave, give the video a like. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with your friends. Check out my playlist and my videos individually. Come back often. New videos are posted every few days. www.youtube.com/PRsRealm.